Wagwan everybody, my name is Kim Kennedy. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be coloring our hair. We are going to be trying the new Cream of Nature Pure Honey Hydrating Color Boost. It is a semi-permanent hair color and I got it in the color light golden copper, and this is what it looks like. So I paid 940 Jamaican dollars for this, which is equivalent to a little bit less than 10 US dollars. And what I really like about this is that it's a no mix, no mess formula. What you see in this box only comes with one application, so that's neat. It comes with instructions and it comes with the color itself. Now this color is huge. It is huge. I should have more than enough to do my entire head with this. So I already read the instructions. Basically all you have to do is shampoo your hair, towel dry, part your hair into sections and apply the color. Let it set for 15 minutes and then rinse it out. That is all. And if they gave you an additional step, if you want increased moisture, then you condition your hair after you apply the color. So that's that. The only downfall to this instructions is that it doesn't come with gloves, so they do advise you to apply the color wearing gloves, and it doesn't come with gloves, so just bear that in mind. If you're gonna use this, you have to go buy gloves separately. I have already shampooed my hair. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it in the cards above. I actually shampooed my hair because I had to take down a protective style, so I showed you guys the shampoo process and how I moisturize and strengthen my hair after protective styling. So if you're interested, you can watch that video. I'll link it in the cards above. Remember, if you're not subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. It really helps this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like this content, and leave a comment in the comment section down below and let me know if you have tried this hair color before. I really chose this color because it's close to the hair color that I already have, so I'm hoping that it will give me a little boost. And I really want to try the red one. I want to try the other colors, so let me know in the comment section down below if you tried any of these colors and if you're interested in seeing me try the other colors that they have in the range, because they have a lot of colors. They have pink, they have red, they have purple, they have blue. And without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So what I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to be sectioning my hair off into 4 sections and start the hair color process. Alright, so I'm done with the application process and I really like how it's looking. It's looking really like copper, and I think it really revived the color that I already have. I'm really liking how it's looking. It almost won't look like red, orange, brown. I guess that's the shade of copper, but I'm loving it so far. And I'm loving the application process. It's so easy, so quick, and so convenient. Alright, so I'm going to let this sit for the 15 minutes and then I'll come back and show you guys the results. Alright, hi guys, I really wanted to come back in and show you guys the color before rinsing it out. I really like this color. So this is what it is looking like. So right now I am going to rinse it out and then come back and show you guys what it looks like. I'm actually gonna rinse out the color and add conditioner to my hair and rinse that out, because they said that you can add conditioner afterwards after applying the color. So that is what I'm going to be doing, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so this is what the hair color is looking like. It's not as vibrant as before, but you can I guess you can see the color. It's not as bright as I would want it to be, but you can definitely see that it has a copper tint to it. I really thought that this hair color would be a little bit stronger than this. I don't know, it's my first time using semi-permanent hair color anyway, so I don't know what to expect or what to think. To be honest, I really feel like say it a trick me, because my hair color is similar to this hair color. So in all honesty, if I really wanted to see a difference, I would have to choose a color that is not the same as my original hair color. But this is what it's looking like so far. I'm going to be doing some chunky twists in my hair right now using TGIN products.